In this video, I am going to show you how you can animate image size in Canva. First, open Canva. After that, go to YouTube video. Now go to Elements, Upload Image. And then going to upload the car image. Resize it. Make it smaller. Now make the duration 10 seconds. Now duplicate this, just right click and then click on duplicate page. Now go to the second page and then select the car image. Now increase the size and position it. Now add transition, choose match and move and increase the duration 5 seconds. Now download it. Click on download. Select all pages. Click on done and click on download. Downloaded. Now delete this. Now go to the uploads. Click on upload files. Now select the video you have downloaded. Click on open. Now select the video. Now we need to split the video. So when the animation start, then we will split the video. So it start from here. Now click on S button, keyboard S, and then delete on the first part. Now go to the second part. See when animation stop at. So here the animation stop at. Now click on S button and then click on this and delete. Now let's play. And this is how you can animate image size in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.